Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Welcome back.
I am here with my husband, Jonathan, and we wanted to make sure that we were keeping you guys updated on everything that we have going on. So you guys have probably already heard the announcement about us expanding to Miami. We now have an amazing location in Brickell, Miami, and the honest truth is we actually recorded a video while we were in Miami, but let me tell you guys something. Have never been to Miami or have ever tried to shoot any content there. First of all, the wind construction. The wind is blowing like crazy. Okay, so the entire time that we were actually shooting the opening to today's video, the noise was just unbearable.
Banging, hammering.
It was crazy. There was even a dog barking. Okay, so we're going to redo the actual opening of the video, and then we're going to take you onto a tour that we did of one of the condos that we really, really love. But before we get into that, let me catch you guys up on what we're doing here in Miami. All right, so as I mentioned before, we just opened up an office in Miami. Yes, we are still in Atlanta, and today we are we're taking you guys back to when we did a tour of an amazing condo in Brickell that we're really, really loving.
Shout out to Brickell.
Okay, I'm really, really loving Brickell. So I want to first share some of the things that I was looking for in this tour versus some of the things that John was looking for in the actual tour. So for me personally, I'm all about location. I wanted to make sure that it was somewhere that was close to the office, and also somewhere that was like really close to like a little bit of shopping, a little bit of eating. You know, your girl likes to eat. What were you looking for, babe?
Pretty much basically like somewhere that's dog friendly. You got a puppy. Shout out to Brinkley.
Shout out to Brinkley. A little strong.
Yeah, so shout out to Brinkley. So this particular place, they had a nice, I guess it's rooftop.
Yep, they did have like a rooftop area for Brinkley.
Rooftop dog
and
park.
Adults.
Yeah. I thought that was pretty cool. But for the most part, pet friendly, close to businesses. Yeah, pretty much it.
Yeah, so it was pretty straightforward. So check out the actual tour that we did, and let's see if I was able to convince John to actually move forward on this condo that we saw. All right, guys, let's get into this tour. So first of all, this is one of our favorite condos that we were able to view in Brickell. It's about 2 minutes of a walk, maybe 5 minutes of a walk from the actual office. So the location was right on point. And look at that view of the city. So lucky for us, we had an amazing realtor that was able to kind of take us around this particular condo. This one here that she showed us is not the one that we're going to go with. It was a little bit small for me. It was 750 square feet. As you can see, it has a really great view. Most of the condos that they showed us had a balcony, which was really, really great, where you could see the city. However, this one was overlooking another condo, which was not really my favorite view. As you can see from my face, I was trying to tell John it's cute, but hey, for the amount that we're going to pay is way too small. But it did have a walk-in closet. It had one of those. It had a really cute bathroom, really updated appliances. It had marble floors in the bathroom. A nice size bedroom. However, honey, get into this kitchen. Even though everything was really, really updated, once I checked out the refrigerator, I was like, whoa, what are we fitting inside of here? All right, but look at the view of the rooftop pool. Even though your girl cannot swim, it was great. Here's another look at one of the bedrooms at this particular condo. Again, I really love the size of it because it's not our primary residence. I think it's a perfect fit for what we're going for the bedroom, that is. This area here, we're going to probably utilize for content creation. And what's really cool, it's 24 hours access to this particular area here where you can do meetings. You can meet with friends. Of course, for us, we're utilizing it for staff purposes. If we're ever going to host different things, which is our goal, to kind of meet with our staff that are in our Miami office or any other things that we may be having at the condo. I think this makes it a really, really great concept. as well as it has like a really cool kitchen, and then it takes you out to the rooftop area. Now, this is one of the things that John was really, really interested in now that we are really into fitness, We work out almost every single day together, so it's really nice to have a great gym that has the bikes, it has outside area access, as well as a lot of different machines that we use for cardio and lifting weights. As you can see, this guy right here is not playing, okay? So it had everything inside the gym that's really important to us that is located in some of the gyms that we go to, because we travel a lot back and forth from Richmond to Atlanta and now Miami. So that is going to keep us accountable on our fitness journey. All right, and the last thing I wanted to show you guys again was look at this balcony city view. And this balcony view here was from one of the larger penthouses that they showed us.
All right, so what did you guys think? First things first, you might have noticed, like in my facial expressions, when we first got to the condo, I know me personally, I probably haven't lived in smaller quarters, since college, like apartment style. So what I noticed about Miami and their condos is that they want like millions of dollars for like a small square footage. So that kind of threw me off a little bit. What did you think about that?
Yeah, location.
Yeah.
Well, since it's not going to be primary residence, I think it'll be fine. But it's beautiful. It's in the heart of Brickell.
It is in the heart of Brickell.
It's not too far from Wynwood and South Beach.
He loves Wynwood, by the way,
and other places.
and South Beach.
Yeah.
You know what I
South
mean?
Beach.
I think he's
Get
trying
to take
see
my
some-
shirt off.
Yeah, he's been losing some weight, might I add. Okay, so compared to
I like the gym too.
and the gym
Did
was
y'all check out the gym?
phenomenal. The gym was phenomenal. You probably saw it. There was a guy that was working out heavy, like he didn't even stop his reps, like when we walked by. Like that's the wave that we're trying to be on. Okay. So our bodies probably from when we shot that actual video compared to now. At least
Yeah.
for John, he got some muscles
You too, babe.
behind these. I mean, I got a little something here, honey, but I'm still working on
Workout vibes only.
workout vibes only. But long story short, y'all, I think we're in love with it. So what do you guys think? I'm going to record another video to let you guys know what we actually decided on, maybe give you a little tour. But I'm also going to break down what I am utilizing this new condo space for, because as y'all mentioned before, it is not our primary residence, but we're going to turn it into a money-making opportunity. As always, you guys already know how I do. So until next time, make sure that you click, you watch it, you subscribe
Comment.
it, you comment,
Rate.
rate it, okay? Share it with all your friends. Until next time, check me out next time.
Peace.
Peace.